I have often been asked this question when planting a coconut seedling. Do I choose one with a large nut? For that should give me large nuts when the palm grows up? My answer is yes and no. Yes, if you're planting a cultivar, that means a traditional tall, where you want and you hope that the size of the nut will tell you what that palm is likely to give you. Unfortunately, we don't know enough of what that palm will be like, whether it comes from a small or a big nut, because we do not know what is the quality of the father palm whose pollen fertilized that button. Hopefully, you will get the size of nut as the size of the the nut of the seedling. But when it comes to hybrids, on the other hand, you would do almost the opposite. A hybrid is the result of crossing two varieties, a dwarf and a tall, or a tall and a dwarf, and the resultant hybrid should be a tough, strong palm which gives you higher yields, higher sized nuts, larger sized nuts, and good resistance to pest and disease. That is because of hybridization, not because of the size of the nut that germinated the seedling. You are going to choose a hybrid that will give you the results that are known that that hybrid will give you. A dwarf, which is used in the breeding of hybrids, has the ability to hold on a larger number of nuts but drops the size. So it's good for large production, but the size of that nut is small. And if that nut is the hybrid seed nut which is being planted, where you've got a small nut but with the potential of producing a hybrid with large nuts as the output. So where a hybrid is concerned, my advice is please don't worry about the size of the nut, because you are going for hybrid vigor, which has a range of quality factors which the mother does not have, from which you have got the seed nut. I hope that answers your question.